So welcome back again. In this tutorial guide, I will be showing you how you can use MATLAB on your Android devices. First, quickly, we're going to go into our Play Store. So I'm going to click Play Store. Then we're going to search for MATLAB Mobile. And then we're going to click on Install. So this is our MATLAB Mobile, and then we're going to install. And once we do that, we're going to sign in using our MathWorks account. We already demonstrated how to create a MathWorks account in the earlier videos where I was showing you how to use MATLAB online. So you can watch the video and see how to create a MathWorks account. So as soon as it's installed, you can then sign in and start using it. So now it has installed, then I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to sign in. It requires my email. I'm going to create my login details. You remember the email is with bello at gmail. So now that I enter my correct password, I'm going to click on sign in. Now I'm right inside my MathWorks. So I'll allow it to load. Then I have some guide here showing me how to go about using the online MathWorks on my mobile phone. So the first thing we can see here is our command window, just the same way I did earlier on in the last video. We can do 1 plus 1 and click on enter, and this gives me my answer. We can display hello world as a string, and that will equally display something. But here we are on our command window, and I can clear my command window using CLC. I can equally click on this menu bar and then click on file. Okay, I got it. Then this is my published, and this file was earlier created on the online MathWorks using my computer, and I can access my earlier file that I created. Okay, and I can open the script, and this was the earlier script. I can comment this by putting a percentage in front. That is a comment. Then I can run this to display the fruits. Okay, I can always go back. This is for my figure if I have one. Then I can always go back to my file and edit it. So I can add one more fruit here. Maybe we had in a pineapple. So let's add a pineapple. So I put comma. Then I had a pineapple. Okay, in MATLAB we can do dot 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 to extend my string so that to the next line. So you all can see. So then I can type in my pineapple. Okay, we can add more fruits if we want. Okay, we can add more. Maybe we can add in strawberry. Then we stop there. Strawberry, the spelling is correct. Oh no. So all of these are string, and then we click on run, this button here. So we have all our item being displayed. The first one here is the earlier ones we display, and this is the one I've extended the elements in the vector fruit. So this is how we can use MATLAB. We can also run some examples that are already in the phone. We can maybe plot a 2D plot. So we can run the script, then we can run it, and we can see how it's going to look like. So let's click on run, and you're going to see the essence of the figure here. So we can click on the figure here, and these are the plot. We have many plots, so we can click on this tab here to display each of the plot. So our goal for this series is to be able to write a script like this and be proficient about MATLAB and use for our research purposes. So don't be intimidated by this length of code. These are just simple things that you will be able to do at the end of this lecture series. So we're going to end it today, and this is how to use MATLAB on your Android devices. Like and share this video with others. Thank you.